And natapos na din akong maglagay ng aking mga fake nails. And ipapakita natin sa mister ko kung ano ang reaction niya. Ako, wala lang magawa, walang content. So, yala, let's go! Yung pinanood niyo news, medyo malakas yung tune, yung volume. So,
The bet that is being placed is that there is a generational divide that comes into play with this conflict as well.
you like my
And the
nails?
bet that's being placed is that those younger people do not care about this.
So annoying, love.
Forgotten and
Love your nails.
doesn't have the iconoclastic status that it used to have. I don't think it's a